All right, everyone. I reached my 36 hours within my fast. I woke up this morning. I was actually like feeling amazing. I was not hungry, surprisingly. And I'll say this because we actually have family here. My wife cooked for them, and my wife is also fasting. I think the whole like waking up and getting something to eat, that's a habit. And I don't do that already, anyways. I'll hit the gym before I eat. So I go to the gym fasted already. But then, she's making food for our family. So I'm looking at the food. I'm like, man, but prior to that, I was good. It wasn't until I seen the food, then I was like, but even so, right now I'm good. I'm actually about to go hit the Stairmaster at the gym for about 30 minutes. So I'm actually hitting 38 hours. Let me read to you what happens at the 36-hour mark. And in that way, moving forward. Look, I know in one of my videos I mentioned that this is easy, but it really isn't that easy. Like, because you have to break through the whole idea of my stomach is growling, I'm hungry. You just don't listen to that, right? Because you just understand. I think for me, what happened was I kept telling myself, okay, my stomach is growling or whatnot, but I'm repairing. So I can't listen to that. I can't listen to that. I kind of want to talk like software stuff, but I'm not going to say that. So let's just say your system is going through it. It's telling you one thing, but that's not the right thing. Don't listen to the hunger. Listen to the fact that you're rebooting. That's what it needs to do. Forget anything else. All right, so at 36 hours, this is the sweet spot. So by now, your glycogen, which is the stored sugar, is gone, right? So no sugar in your system, right? The only thing I've had so far was coffee. I put some salt in it just to get my sodium back up. So your body is running almost entirely on fat. That's the fuel right now. So this means ketones are high, insulin is rock bottom, and you're in deep repair mode. Autophagy is maxed out. Your cells are recycling old damaged parts. Inflammation is dropping. So this is the part where fat burning is real. So you're not just at water weight right now. So this is real fat burning. You completely flip the script. Because I'm getting to 38 hours, let me tell you what's happening at 38 hours. I'm 15 minutes from 38 hours. So your body is completely fat burning. You're rebuilding itself. Cellular repair is peaking. So I'm getting there. Damaged mitochondria is being replaced with stronger ones. Inflammation continues to fall. Amazing. Ketones are now powering your brain, which is crazy. Like the level of clarity right now is crazy. I'm just tell you, I recommend doing this. Recommend doing this. When climbing a mountain, when you get to the top, you're like, it was worth it. So crazy right now, the level of energy that I have. All right. Ketones are powering your brain, which is why people feel calm, focused, and clear right now. So hunger usually isn't sharp anymore because your body has settled into fat burning. That's the fat burning mode. And at this stage, fasting isn't just about weight loss. It's about deep cellular healing. This is why I recommend it. All right. At my 40-hour mark, we're going to break the fast. And we're going to do this. We're going to do this again. It looks like a lot of people are into this. I want to help. It works. So we're going to continue doing this. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys at the 40-hour mark.